welcome to Blas Fwyd in Llanrwst. My name is Gwenllian and I promote Welsh food and drink and look after our customers on behalf of Blas Fwyd. Our business was established in 1988 by Daniel and Chandra. Having lived in London and got a taste for the fine food and drink of the world, they decided to bring those flavours to North Wales when they came home to start a family and their own business. They brought together Blas Fwyd's delicatessen, the wine shop, and started producing our own range of products from fresh salads and soups to cakes and desserts, jams and much more. By today, our family business has grown to having a cafe bar, outside catering, and we also not only distribute our own range of products, but we also deliver over 100 lines of Welsh wines and international wines, and on behalf of over 200 Welsh producers throughout the country. Llanrwst has a rich history, not only as a market town, but also from the history of Welsh icons coming and standing their ground here. My favourite saying is Cymru, Lloegr a Llanrwst, Wales, England and Llanrwst, as at the time neither Wales nor England could rule or govern the people of Llanrwst. We are so happy to work with Menter on the welcome packs here. We have offered 3 unique welcome packs for you guys to enjoy. So the first box is Santa's Dwynwen, perfect for a romantic weekend away with your partner. The second here is the Prince's box, filled with the Welsh breweries and spirits for you to taste. If you're looking to have a great weekend away with your friends, it's a must-have. And finally, we have the largest of the 3 packs. It is our Aberfraw box. This is perfect for a family to share, from sweet to savoury treats, breakfast goodies to quick snacks. And you'll also get, with each one, a card to give you more information about the rich mythology of Wales and the surrounding area. Scan the QR code to learn more. So in the Santa's Dwynwen box, you will receive a taste of the Panty cider, fruity and perfect for summer to enjoy. In the Prince's box, it also includes the Blodeuwedd beer from Bragdy Lle. Blodeuwedd was the woman made of flowers in the Welsh mythology Mabinogion. And my favourite item in our Aberfraw box is our very own Blas Fwyd Welsh cakes, made from 4th family generation recipe. If you would like to order one of our welcome packs ready for your arrival to us in North Wales, it can't be easier. Just call us on 01 492 640 215 or check out our website at www.blasarfwyd.com, or even ask your hotel or B&B to get in touch with us. We'd be more than happy to help. That's all from us at Blas Fwyd Deli Bach in Llanrwst. I hope you enjoy your visit to North Wales, and please do come and see what flavours there are to explore here in Llanrwst. Thank you.